An ironing board is bulky, annoying, and nobody has time to set it up. A good handheld steamer removes wrinkles in seconds, refreshes fabrics without washing, and takes up almost no space. But most are underpowered, leaky, or die after 6 months. After analyzing thousands of reviews and technical specs, here are 5 handheld steamers that actually deliver. The Rowenta is a 2-in-1 powerhouse, vertical steaming for hanging garments and horizontal ironing with its XL ceramic sole plate. At 1,875 watts, it's one of the most powerful handhelds available. Heat up takes about 40 seconds. The 7.1-ounce tank delivers up to 12 minutes of continuous steam. 5 adjustable steam settings let you tailor output to fabrics, from delicate silks to thick cottons. It's 24% lighter than previous models, and the 8.5-foot cord offers real reach. The automatic safety features prevent overheating. To use it, simply fill the tank, select your setting, wait for the ready indicator, and glide the sole plate over fabric, vertically or horizontally. Users consistently praise its wrinkle-busting power, though the tank size means occasional refills for larger loads. This device delivers serious steam with its 1,800-watt heating element. The 300-milliliter detachable water tank is generous, providing over 20 minutes of continuous steam, enough for multiple garments or even light household fabrics like curtains. The 360-degree orientation design prevents water leakage at any angle. It features 3-level safety protection against overheating. To use it, fill the tank, attach it securely, and power on. Allow about 30 seconds for warm-up. The indicator light turns green when ready. For continuous use, note that the device may cycle to a red light and reduce steam output temporarily. This is a built-in protection feature, not a defect. The included fabric brush, heat-resistant gloves, and measuring cup add real value. Users appreciate the long runtime and versatility, though the unit is bulkier than travel-focused competitors. The BEAUTURAL is designed for travelers and compact living. At just 1,000 watts, it's less powerful than full-size units, but it heats up in only 30 seconds. The advanced electronic pump enables leak-proof steaming at any angle, even upside down, which is rare at this price point. It folds compactly and includes a storage bag, making it genuinely travel-friendly. Critical note: this model is designed for 120-volt outlets only. Plugging into 220 volts, even with an adapter, will destroy it. To use it, fill the tank, plug in, wait 30 seconds, and steam vertically on hanging garments or horizontally on flat surfaces. It's gentle enough for most fabrics, but won't tackle heavy wrinkles in thick materials as quickly as higher wattage units. Users love its portability and leak-proof design for quick touch-ups. The Blesgam focuses on simplicity and effectiveness. It features dual-row steam technology, delivering 25 grams of steam per minute. Heat up takes about 40 seconds, reaching 100 to 110 degrees Celsius. The 180-milliliter tank steams 3 to 5 garments per fill. The 8-foot power cord provides good reach. To use it, fill the tank without exceeding the max line. Distilled water is recommended for optimal performance. Tighten the garment, press the steamer panel firmly against the fabric, and slide slowly over wrinkled areas. Weighing only 0.4 kilograms, it's exceptionally lightweight. Dual safety protection includes temperature control and automatic dry burn shutoff. Users appreciate its effectiveness on light to medium wrinkles, though the smaller tank means refills for larger loads. The Nesmar G5 Pro is the global traveler's ultimate companion. It supports worldwide voltage from 100 to 240 volts, so you can use it anywhere without a converter. It weighs just 1 pound and is genuinely palm-sized. The triple-layer precision heating technology delivers consistent steam in 15 seconds, the fastest heat up here. 2 steam settings let you adjust for delicate versus sturdy fabrics. The smart control system includes an auto shutoff after 15 minutes of inactivity. To use it, fill the tank, Select your steam level, wait 15 seconds, and steam vertically or horizontally. The compact European plug adapter and flannel storage bag are included. Users praise its portability, speed, and leak-free performance.